There's a room in an old building that hasn't been opened in years. But every night, at the exact same times, the room starts making noises. And when someone finally opened the door, there was nothing in it. The room was supposed to be empty storage, sealed off and forgotten. The first night, a soft rhythmic tapping echoed from the door. Same time, same pattern. Then came the scratching, not from the walls, but from the middle of the room, as if something was moving across the floor. Every night at 3:17 a.m., something heavy dragged across the floor. But the room was supposed to be empty. After days of nonstop noises, they finally decided to open the room. No one knew what to expect, but everyone agreed it wouldn't be empty. But when the door opened, something impossible had happened. The dust on the floor was disturbed. Drag marks crossed the entire room, and every loose object had been rearranged into strange geometric shapes. And yet, the room was completely empty. Whatever is making those noises, it's not trapped. It never was. The room was locked from the outside, not to keep something in, but to keep everyone else out.